Hello and welcome to Lok Talks. This is Dr. Lokesh Bhatia. Today I'll be talking to you about another smart device, that is smart earwax removal tool with mobile app and with a video which you can see your external ear on your through the camera on your mobile. So this is something really unique thing which I've been using for quite some months now. And I have realized that this is an excellent tool. You must have heard, and a lot of doctors also talking about this, and a lot of social media posts also keeps coming that we should not be using Johnson bud. The Johnson bud means something like this kind of thing. This kind of things what we keep using, right? These things, when we push inside the ear, this will push the wax deeper inside on the surface of the eardrum. So this is and definitely we should not be putting anything which is like a pin kind of thing, hair pin people keep using. Those things should not be used. So for ear hygiene, this is a wonderful solution which we should be making use of. So let me show you what these things are, and little bit in a close up. I will try to show you the shots. The smart ear wax removal. This is the complete kit. This is the tool which we are making use of. This is how it is. These are the package contains. These are the different things, the silicone buds which comes into it, and this is the charging wire along with this. And in addition to that, there it comes along with a small nail clipper too. So it's just an additional advantage. I don't find any great reason for this, but only these two things and this charging wire. This is the only thing of great use. And how does it function? When we are opening this, it shows a small light on this. Can you see this? Can you appreciate this light? Yes. So when we are going deep inside, you can see very well these on these pictures how the things do appear on that, and you can very well, under proper visualization, you can remove the wax from your ear very safely, very comfortably, and with full confidence which direction you are going, which direction you are seeing the wax, and how to remove it safely, comfortably, painless manner, maintaining a wonderful ear hygiene, and will be able to remove it at domestic levels, at home, within your family atmosphere, and in a very professional manner, without any great discomforts. Because many people may have a great tendency to get their wax deposited in their ears very frequently, and these gadgets definitely help you to do it more confidently, and this tool is a wonderful option available in the market. We all have now wonderful mobiles. You just need to download the app and connect both the devices, your app and on the mobile and the device. And having connected, you can easily do it. No great training is required for that. Just pair it with your intuitive mobile app for a real-time view of your ear canal and ensuring a thorough and a safe cleaning. All right. These are the videos. You can see very clearly how things can be done, and very confidently and very comfortably in your home atmosphere you can do it very easily. And no specialized training is required for this, and we must not make use of any such Johnson, these kind of cotton buds, or we should not definitely use any of hairpins and all. All right. So this is very important gadget which I wanted to talk to you about in today's video, and you must be able to recall my previous videos on the 5 gadgets. Those gadgets also should always be available in any family. The glucometer, the weighing machine, the BP monitor, and the thermometer as well. All these things should be definitely be available in the family. Every family must have this, and this is another tool which we all must be having it. I am definitely copying some links of the Amazon for procuring this particular gadget. This is not something very costly thing. It is something in the range of $20 to $50 and from different vendors and different companies. And this is very, very safe, very comfortably one can do it, and the full visualization for all ages. The smart ear wax removal tool, which is a perfect for the whole family, and not a very costly device. Keep your ears clean and healthy with ease. Many times we do develop this conjunctive stiffness, and as the wax get deposited in our external ears, and very often we are in need to remove those waxes, and the ENT specialist doesn't want to waste their valuable practice time in just removing the waxes. They will always give you some kind of drops and hoping to you to take care of your wax removal. So, but still, in spite of using this, if you are not happy or if you want to learn how to do it, you must definitely consult with this device to your nearest ENT surgeon, a consultant who can guide you, who can make you to practice what is the right way of making use of this. Thank you very much. All the best. See you in next video. Hope you liked it, and you can definitely share this with your friends and make sure that you have subscribed this channel. Thank you very much.